Hello once again. A short one about the calibration blocks number 1. So because I had to look at the standards because one of them has a bigger hole. I just checked and I'll show you a bit. Okay, I think we have 3 or 4. So okay, I have checked the standard because it says certain ISO 2400 and there is nothing on that one. Okay, and the standard says what? That okay, here what it says. The standard is for calibration blocks number 1, and the velocity of these blocks of the sound is 5220 plus minus 30 and 3255 plus minus 15. So when we calibrate with these blocks, we can put in this kind of numbers, or if we use auto calibration, we can just leave them as they are, but I would use them as they are. Okay, and the hole, only the hole is different in them. So, and it appears that from the old standard, the old calibration blocks are with a smaller hole, and from 12 the hole is 3 millimeters. So the standard says that the velocity, all kinds of dimensions, there are all kinds of pictures, all kinds of centimeters and edges and things like that, and existing blocks, they are allowed with the exception that the small side drilled hole may have a diameter of 1.5 millimeters. So that's old. So we have a few of these ones. Here is the small hole, okay, and and this one is the newer one, this one with a bigger hole. So this one is a standard block, a number 1 block. The marking is a little bit different also, but there is no problem with that, with the angles. But this one is better because that's a smaller hole, and we do the duck with this 3 millimeter hole. So if you have this, it's better because the spikes, when you check this with a duck graph that you have made, should go to the black line that you made, okay, on the duck block. And maybe, I thought about it, you can check from that side, okay, and maybe you can check from this side, and if the angle allows, you can get this also, this part, because from here it's 70, but from here maybe you can get also this thing with a 60 with 45 from here. So you have 2 places to check also the the angle and the duck. That's not comfortable, because you cannot stand it on the nose like that, so you have to put it somehow. But you can use that from 2 different places to get this hole. So that's a good block. That's the newer one. So that's the short one. Both are good, but the older one is with this one. The newer one, according to the standard, is 3 millimeter hole. Everything else is the same. That's the standard block number 1 or V1. So that's it for this video.